Semiconductor metrology refers to the techniques used to inspect and provide process control considerations to various aspects of the semiconductor manufacturing processes. One of the key goals of semiconductor metrology is to measure defects and contamination, their location on a wafer, and their composition, which helps engineers analyze the root cause of the defects and find the appropriate solution to address them. In addition to measuring defects and contamination, semiconductor metrology includes a wide range of measurement parameters, such as material characteristics, film thickness, pattern dimension, implant dose, and reticle dimension, to maximize chip yield. Chip yield is a measure of the number of functioning chips that meet specifications compared to the total number of semiconductor chips fabricated on a wafer. A higher chip yield means that more devices can be produced with the same amount of raw materials, time, and cost. Semiconductor manufacturing processes and metrology have evolved to enable increasingly smaller features or structures inside an integrated circuit, or IC, and more layers on chips. However, this shrinking of feature sizes results in tighter tolerance requirements during semiconductor manufacturing, causing more defects. More defects lead to a drop in chip yield, which, if not addressed, would make scaling the semiconductor industry uneconomical. The sources of these defects are numerous, which may include a contaminated manufacturing environment or processing inconsistency,